Good morning. Form 944 for 2020 Employers' Annual Federal Tax Return. Part 3. So let's go to Part 3. And Part 3 is on page 3. So first you make sure you have your name on top of Part 3 and you have your business identification number. So Part 3, line 14. If your business has closed or stopped paying wages, you check the box and you enter the final date you pay wages. Also, you attach a statement to your return. And we are going to address this in detail by looking in the instructions. See, and I should have my notes. And let's go to the instructions. On page 4 and 5. What if you reorganize or close your business? So if you sell or transfer your business, you might want to read this session. So if you sell or transfer your business during the year, you and the new owner must each file a Form 944, 941, 941SS or 941PR, whichever is required for the year in which the transfer occurred. Report only the wages you paid. So if you sell your business or transfer it, let's just say in July or like end of June, so you will file 944 for your business and you will report wages you pay from January to June, and the new business owner will file Form 944 as well if that's what they are required to file, and they will report wages they pay from July to December. When two businesses merge, the continuing firm must file a return for the year in which the change took place, and the other firm should file a final return. So the other firm will be you that, the previous will file a final return. So changing from one form of business to another, such as from a sole proprietor to a partnership or a corporation, is considered a transfer. If a transfer occurred, you may need a new EIN number. You can see publication 1635 and section 1 of publication 15 for more information. And you will attach a statement to your return with all the following information. So just like the way they ask on line 14 to attach a statement if you close or stop paying wages. And the statement will address the following: the new owner's name or the new name of the business, whether the business is now a sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation, the kind of change that occurred, a sale or transfer, the date of the change, the name of the person keeping the payroll record, and the address where those records will be kept. If your business has closed, if you permanently close or go out of business or stop paying wages to your employee, you must file a final return. To tell the IRS that Form 944 or a particular year is your final return, check the box on line 14 and enter the final date you pay wages. Also attach a statement to your return showing the name of the person keeping the payroll record and the address where those records will be kept. Okay, so for line 14, when you close the business, the attachment you will add will just specify who is going to keep, the information related to the business, and the address, those information will be kept. That's what will be in the attachment that you will add to this form if you are just ending the business. And you remember to put the final date here as well, and check this box to specify that's your final return. And in the attachment, it might even be good to put on it, like in the title, that's your final return for that business. So line 15, qualify health plan expenses allocable to qualify sick leave. So if you have those type of expenses, if you have those type of qualified health plan, then you'll put it here. Qualified health plan expenses allocable to qualify family leave wages, you'll put it there on line 16. Qualified wages for the employee retention credit, you'll put it on line 17. And for the line 17, let's read it. Okay, so enter the qualified wages for the employee retention credit, excluding the amount of any qualified health plan expenses allocable to this wage. So this amount is also entered on worksheet 1, step 3, line A. And the worksheet is at the end of 2020 instructions for Form 944 on page 20. So you'll find that number on line 3A if you have employee retention credit to claim. You will use worksheet to calculate that, and the information will come from there. And if we go to okay, so line 18, qualified health plan expenses allocable to wages reported on line 17. That will go on line 18. Line 19, credit from Form 5884C, line 11 for the year. I'll go on line 19. And that's what we will cover in part 3. Tell us about your business, whether you close your business, transfer it, or merge it, or sold it, is addressed on part 3 of Form 944 for 2020 Employers Annual Federal Tax Return. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Thank you for all your comments, and thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, Liberman Consulting L.L.C podcast, ninasoap.com our blog, and we do have our online stores, including natural product store, ninasoap.com, custom apparel store, liberlabel.com, resale store, liberoutlets.com, and digital product store, liberdownload.com. Thank you.